guys, so we're here by Supermac Garage and he is installing the newest addition for the Prado. So this is the Lensun Solar panel, the hood panel. So I've just taken it out of the box and just looked at everything is over here and we have everything that we need and no, rather you do it. And yeah, let's see what happens, because this is supposed to go onto the Prado. They sent it specifically for the Prado, for the shape of the hood and everything. But this is, it's not flexible. Well, it is a bit. But yeah, I'm not entirely sure how this works, but this is why I'm over here.
So the Prado is becoming an EV Prado now.
It's becoming an EV Prado. This adds power to the V6. It's not for battery packs. We need to save some fuel. That's basically what it comes down to. This should be the vinyl, I think. Oh, there is actually clear instructions for us.
Interesting.
Yeah, we can't read, so it's not going to help. But we'll figure it out. Yeah, this is the vinyl. It goes on the
protective film.
Yeah, on the bonnet.
This is the top part. Looks quite different physically than a normal solar panel.
Yeah, looks like carbon fiber. So this is the 90 watt panel for the bonnet, and then they also send you with MPPT. Obviously that the panel is going to plug into.
Is the video rolling T54?
Yeah. You don't take like the spotlight with you. The professional work is being done behind me. And yeah, I've even got a leaflet here that says app download. So I assume this MPPT does have Bluetooth as well. It doesn't say it's got Bluetooth. Oh, it does. Part of the code is BT. So that is obviously Bluetooth. So that's pretty cool. So then you can see what's happening. And then with my caravan already with the Victron system, I can see everything on my phone. And now I will be able to see the same with this one. So that is pretty exciting. And then they've sent with these little tags. So have a look at this. So you double-sided tape, you stick them wherever you want, and then through them goes the little cable ties, and then you can tighten the cables everywhere on the bonnet, underneath, everywhere that you want to put it. That is a nice touch. Alright, so I've downloaded the Solar Life Bluetooth app. Now let's open it. My Bluetooth is turned on. Available devices. And there you have it. Sure, this is as easy as that. This is in daytime mode, 99% on the battery. And my panel is not going to charge now because we are standing indoors in the workshop. My battery, 37 degrees, it's on 12.79 volts. And it's currently discharging because it's off. And the door is open, so the cabin light is burning. You can set your parameter settings, device, battery and your load. Guys, this is very cool. I can't wait to add this to the caravan lead, and then while I'm driving to see how much this 90 watt is actually powering. I think what I'll do is I will disconnect the caravan panels, and I will use only this one on the next trip and see how much it charges my 2 lithium batteries. So as you guys can see, the green, the orange is burning, the red light is not, and over there it indicates that the panel is green, it's working, the battery is yellow and load red, but there's no load currently on here. So now I already fitted the wire to that point, so now we will fix it neatly all the way around to where my other cables are running, and then we'll just take the battery cables around to my battery point to give power to the MPPT. And that way we'll be able to add the solar panel to the batteries of the caravan as well, because I've got my solenoid under my bonnet, and then that will send power back to the caravan, to the batteries in there. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, it will work nice, especially if you have your Victron MPPT and this one together with each other to see.
Yeah, I just said now I'm going to disconnect the panels from the caravan and only use this one for the next trip and see how much it charges.
Yeah,
like,
that will be interesting to see.
because a 90 watt on 2 lithiums should be enough, because they don't take that much power. And just to monitor through the night, the next morning when the sun starts coming up, all those kind of things.
Yeah, to see how quickly it charges up again.
That is very cool. Thank you to Lensun Solar for sending us this panel. Thank you to Supermac Garage for the installation.
It was a nice and easy installation.
Yeah, it's so easy. Yeah. So now we're just gonna do some neatening of the wires underneath, like I said, tuck everything and connect it permanently to the battery. And then as soon as the caravan is done with the maintenance, we'll be doing that connection and the testing will commence. Alright guys, and a massive shout out to Lensun Solar for supplying me with the solar panel, with the hood solar panel. I'm very excited to get this going and to use it with the caravan. Now the idea then is to move my batteries and everything, the inverter, everything into the Prado as well from the caravan. But yeah, I'm very excited to get them going and to use the solar panel with the batteries, and just to see how quickly they charge and all of that. And it's so nice to be able to monitor everything from my phone. So let's get testing and see how it goes.